Good morning. I'm Madhvi Dubey, Associate Lecturer for MEd program at University of Dundee. Today, the topic for lecture would be systems thinking. Since we are discussing various leadership models and theories, so systems thinking is one of the important leadership approaches which can be applied to small organizations, to big institutions, even at your home, in your daily life, or in any kind of work setting uh, you are engaged with. So, we will be first going through the definitions. There are many academics, they have put forward different definitions of system thinking. So, we will be referring to them. Then we will be seeing some examples of systems in our daily life. This can be as simple as a building, uh, as complex as a human body or any other living organism for that matter. It can be your school, it can be an organization where you work, it can be a hospital, it can be a community where we live, or it can be a political system of a country. So, the size of a system can range from very small to huge systems. And then we will be discussing what are the important components of systems thinking as a comprehensive approach to leadership and management. And then we will discuss some particular case studies or examples of how to apply systems thinking in your own context. In addition to that, uh, systems thinking is not a random approach. It has certain structure, certain plan to it. So we will be discussing the characteristics of system thinking. Uh, this has huge benefits, so we'll have a look into that. But as with any other approach or model, there are certain limitations or certain barriers when applying systems thinking. So we will have a discussion there, and then we'll see how these can be mitigated. And then the leader who is adopting systems thinking in their own practice and their organization, they should have certain qualities. So we will be looking into those qualities. Once we have discussed all this, you can take a breather and some time to reflect on what you learned, and these questions would guide you there. Once you have had a relook, we will be discussing this. You can discuss this amongst yourself, and then we can have a comprehensive discussion as a class. And in conclusion, we will be wrapping up systems thinking with some important definitions, the characteristics of a systems leader, and specific examples of few applications. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the session today.